This is a Tecno Spark 30C. This device is really interesting. It comes with a 120Hz display, but it's only 720p resolution. Seriously, why? Why do brands do this? I would gladly trade this 120Hz for a 1080p display, even if it's only 60Hz. Is it just me, or do you guys feel the same way too? Anyways, let's see what the Tecno Spark 30C is all about in this review. My name is UD, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So before we jump into the review, I've got something fascinating to share with you. If you love getting great deals on various products, well, here is your answer. TEMU. For those of you who might not know, TEMU is an online store that offers huge range of products from tech gadgets, fashion, home essentials, and so much more at super competitive prices. But what sets TEMU apart is the price protection policy, which means that if the price drops within 30 days of your purchase, you can request a partial refund. It's like having a built-in safety net for your shopping. Plus, TEMU guarantees your delivery, so you can shop worry-free. Make sure to download the TEMU app through the link in the description box below, and you're welcome to use my exclusive code to unlock even more perks when you shop. Just search for the code in the search bar on the TEMU app to claim your $100 coupon bundle. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these deals. Alright, so let's quickly check out some of the awesome products that I got from TEMU. So first is the GameSir Nova Lite. It's a wireless controller, and I actually got two of these. Now, this controller is perfect for me because it's multi-platform and it's also super affordable, just $18. Second is the Baseus DO5 wireless headphones. Now, these headphones offer up to 70 hours of playtime. They are really great, and I'm actually going to use these headphones to edit this video. The third product is by CMF. It's the Nothing Watch Pro smartwatch. Now, this smartwatch is packed with features like wireless calling and fitness tracking and over 100 sports modes. It's stylish, it's functional, and it fits both men and women perfectly. And it's a great smartwatch, and so far, I love it. Lastly, if you look behind me, you see some RGB lights. Yes, I also got them on TEMU. It costs $23. It has different modes. You can change the colors to whatever you want with the app that connects seamlessly. It's good. By the way, the links to all the products will also be in the description below. And don't forget to download the TEMU app. Okay, back to the review. Taking a look at the box, you'll think the Spark 30C will be receiving 4 years of software updates, but no, don't fall for it. That's just Tecno whining you. It's actually 4 years plus lasting fluency, which is just a fancy way of Tecno telling you that the Spark 30C will be running fine without lag even after 4 years of usage. Do you believe them? Without software updates? Now, inside the box, Tecno includes everything you need from the charger to wired headphones, which is very good. I like the circular camera ring Tecno has adopted for the Spark 30C. It's a very similar design to the one on the Camon 30 Premier. There are 3 colors available, but I think the white one here is the best looking one. There is a hole punch cutout and not a teardrop notch. Very nice. The fingerprint scanner is on the power button. It works great. There are actually stereo speakers on this phone, one at the top and the other one is at the bottom. At the bottom, we also get a Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and on the left side is the dual SIM plus memory card slot. The Spark 30C also has an IR blaster on the rear. You can use it to control your household appliances and other electronic gadgets. I like the position of the IR blaster because this is how we hold our phones normally, and you can use the IR blaster just like that instead of bending your hands awkwardly. Like I mentioned at the start of this video, we get a 720p display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's 6.7 inches and it's LCD. It's a decent display. I like that we get a hole punch cutout. It's 500 nits of peak brightness, which is just okay. And I would say it again, 1080p 60Hz is better than 720p 90Hz. Changed my mind. I mean, we get sharper visuals, better colors, and It could have been a better device. We get the latest Android 14 on here, running Tecno's iOS 14.5. All the software features common with Tecno devices are here: floating windows, smart panel, game mode, smart hub, Ella voice assistant, they're all here. I believe Tecno has to send software updates to the Spark 30C because their promise of 4 years lasting fluency isn't going to be possible without software updates. The Spark 30C performs reasonably well with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage. I'm using the 4GB RAM 128GB storage model. Now, if you play lots of demanding games or you do video editing, you should go for the 8GB RAM version, as 4GB won't be sufficient for that kind of workload. However, if your needs are more basic, then the 4GB option should do the job. It feels like 4GB isn't enough these days. 8GB is the minimum you need for more reliable performance. This phone uses the MediaTek Helio G81, which is a chip very similar to the Helio G80. Performance is solid with system UI running smoothly thanks in part to the 120Hz display. If you're curious about benchmarks, the Geekbench and Antutu scores are a good reference. Gaming is fine as long as you don't push it with high settings. Medium graphics will run smoothly. You will get even better performance on low settings. For cameras, we get a 50 megapixel main camera and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Now, I'm just going to show you pictures and you let me know what you think of the picture quality and also the video quality in the comments below. Hey guys, so the cameras on the Tecno Spark 30C are capable of 2K video recording at 30 frames per second, and right now I'm shooting with the selfie camera at that 2K resolution. So let me know what you think of its video quality and of course the microphone's audio quality. Battery life is solid. It's a 5000 mAh battery which will last the whole day, no problem. Unless you are gaming non-stop, then maybe you have to charge. Charging with the 18W charger will take roughly 2 hours. So that's the Tecno Spark 30C. It's a very good device for the price. I like everything about this phone except for the display. I'll give the device a 7/10. If it had a 1080p display, I'll probably give it a 9/10. Now, another device similar to this is the Redmi 14C. If you'd like to see a review on that device, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to get it out to you guys as soon as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My name is Udi. This is udishoots. Thank you so much for watching and you'll see me in my next video. See.